Morning, everybody. We're going to talk today about stop wishing and start doing. So many people go through life, they just wish for this and that. Start doing something towards your goals. Anything little. If you're working on a project, just commit to working a little bit on it each day. If you're working on a YouTube video, just commit no matter what you feel or how you're feeling, even if it's a small one. Just do your video a day or whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish and start there. You're trying to lose weight, just eat a little bit less every day, or if you're like me and going keto, just commit to get through one day at a time. One day at a time, one day at a time. Here we go. Just stop the wishing and start doing something towards your goals. We are working with the law of attraction. Please like, share, and subscribe. I try to keep my videos, short, and that way people won't get too bored and everything. I love you all. I know this was short. Happy December 1st. And remember, to reach your goals, you only have to do one thing a day consistently to make your goal that you're trying to reach. Just one little twig in your life, you'll get there. So here's hoping you have a blessed day. God bless you all. Remember to be good to yourself today. And happy December. This is my favorite month of the year. So I just hope and pray that each one of you is totally blessed. And I just offer a little encouragement today to put a smile on your face, be grateful, and appreciate everything around you. Today is a glorious day. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.